We all need money, but always need more. But what if I told you, you might be doing better financially than you think? Today I'm talking about 9 tiny signs you're doing well financially, even if it doesn't feel like it. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. Savings account is growing. Do you have a growing savings account? If so, congrats, you're doing better financially than you might think. Having money set aside for emergencies or future investments is a sign of financial success. It's like a safety net that can help you navigate unexpected financial situations. But if you're not saving, don't worry. Start small by setting aside a little bit every month. It could be $20, maybe $50, whatever you can afford. It's better than nothing, and you'll be surprised how quickly it can add up. It's not just about saving for emergencies. Saving can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, like buying a home or retiring comfortably.
I've done that in my spare time with these little tiny sums. So it was natural for me, partly prompted by Warren Buffett's success, to think I should just start working for myself instead of for other people.
Make saving a priority and automate your savings if possible. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Having little to no debt. Debt can be a heavy burden, both financially and emotionally. Being debt-free is a considerable achievement, and it can provide a sense of freedom and peace of mind. But if you're struggling with debt, know you're not alone. Many people find themselves in debt for various reasons. I remember my friend Sarah, who worked with debt for years. She had student loans, credit card debt, and a car loan. It felt like she was never going to get out of debt. However, Sarah was determined to turn her finances around. She created a budget, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and aggressively paid her debt. It wasn't easy, but she stuck with it and eventually became debt-free. If you're in debt, you can follow in Sarah's footsteps. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Cut back on unnecessary costs and put extra money toward paying down your debt. Consider consolidating your debt into a single loan with a lower interest rate, and most importantly, stay committed and consistent in your efforts to become debt-free. Can afford to treat yourself, occasionally. As Charlie Munger once said, you need patience and discipline and an ability to take losses and adversity without going crazy. You need an ability not to be driven crazy by extreme success, and that includes treating yourself occasionally. It's not just about indulging. It's about taking care of yourself. Treating yourself can be a sign of financial stability, but it's essential to do it responsibly.
Scrupulously. That's number one. That is really stupid. If you'll overspend your income and be full of jealousy and resentments, you can have a lousy, unhappy life and die young.
Budget, plan for it, and make it a part of your overall financial plan. It could be a nice dinner or a new outfit. Whatever it is, ensure it fits within your budget and you won't throw your finances off track. Taking care of yourself is essential, and treating yourself is excellent. Just make sure you're doing it responsibly and in a way that supports your overall financial goals. Having a retirement plan in place. Let's face it, retirement can be scary, but having a plan in place can give you peace of mind and set you up for long-term financial success. Different retirement plan options, such as 401ks, IRAs, and pensions, are available. Talk to a financial advisor if you need help figuring out where you start. They can help you determine which plan is best for you and help you get started. And if you're younger, remember, it's never too early to start planning for retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So start thinking about your retirement plan today, even if it's just a tiny step. Your future self will thank you for it. Able to live within your means. Living within your means is a sign of financial maturity. It means you can maintain a comfortable lifestyle without going into debt, but it can be challenging. It takes discipline, budgeting, and knowing your limits.
We underspend our incomes and we invested and if you live long enough, you end up rich. It's not very complicated. And now there is a part of life which is, how do you scramble out of your mistakes without them costing too much?
Start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget that allocates your income to different categories of costs, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Stick to your budget as much as possible and make adjustments as necessary. Living within your means doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It just means you're being mindful of your spending, and it can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. So make a plan, stick to it, and it's about something other than how much money you make. It's about how you manage it. Have multiple streams of income. Having multiple streams of income is like having numerous safety nets. It provides financial security and reduces reliance on any one sort of income. As Charlie Munger once said, the best thing a human being can do is help another human being know more. So why not use your skills and knowledge to generate additional income?
And if I have the advantage in 3 different things, that's enough for any family. 3 wonderful things with the odds in your favor. I mean, do you want egg in your beer in life? And so I think the idea you have to have a big diversified portfolio, that's fine.
There are many ways to generate additional income, such as starting a side hustle, renting a room in your home, or investing in stocks or real estate. Find something that aligns with your interests and skills and get started. Multiple income streams take time and effort, but they can be a game changer for your finances. So keep learning, keep hustling, and keep growing your income. Building equity. It's like building a financial foundation. It's the difference between what your assets are worth and what you owe on them. Whether it's through home ownership, investing in stocks or real estate, or starting a business, building equity can provide long-term financial benefits. Equity is significant because it can help you generate income, provide financial security, and increase your net worth. Plus, it can give you a sense of pride and accomplishment in knowing you're building something of value. If you're interested in building equity through home ownership, consider saving for a down payment, researching neighborhoods and homes, and getting pre-approved for a mortgage. If you're interested in investing in stocks or real estate, consider talking to a financial advisor and researching. Building equity is a great way to create financial stability and security for your future. It does not happen overnight, but can pay off significantly with time and effort. Whether building equity through home ownership, investing in stocks or real estate, or starting a business, staying focused and committed to your long-term goals is critical.
Game of being there all the time and recognizing the rare opportunity when it comes and recognizing that a normal human allotment is to not have very many.
Every little step counts, and the more you invest in building your equity, the greater the returns will be in the long run. Have a good credit score. Your credit score is like your financial report card. It measures your credit worthiness and can impact your ability to get approved loans, credit cards, and rental applications. But having a good credit score can also provide financial benefits, such as lower interest rates and better loan terms. If you need clarification on your credit score, check your credit report for free from the 3 major credit reporting agencies once a year. If you have a low credit score, improve it by paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and disputing any errors on your credit report. Maintaining a good credit score requires persistence and effort, but the long-term benefits are worth it. Continuously monitor and improve your credit score to increase your credit worthiness. Feel free to seek the guidance of a financial advisor or credit counselor if you need help with where to start or need help managing your credit. With their expertise, you can make informed decisions and achieve financial goals. Planning for the future. Like creating a roadmap for your financial success, whether for education, career goals, or personal dreams, setting and achieving long-term financial goals can provide a sense of purpose and direction. Start by identifying your long-term financial goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, or saving for retirement. Then break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a plan that aligns with your goals and budget. Planning for the future takes time and effort, but can pay off significantly. It can help you achieve your dreams, provide financial security, and give you peace of mind. So start planning your future today and watch your financial success unfold over time. Financial success is not just about how much money you have, it's about how you manage it. By recognizing these 9 tiny signs, you can feel good about your financial situation and take steps to continue improving it. Small actions can lead to significant financial wins by saving more, paying off debt, or building equity. This video has been helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family, and leaving a comment with your thoughts and feedback. And remember to check out our next end screen video for more helpful tips and advice on achieving financial success. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.